back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys 4 different outfits on how I would style the orange Adidas Samba OG sneakers that I recently did a review on. I was a little torn in between the two on if I wanted to style both these sneakers in this video, but it's only right that I give you guys 2 separate videos, okay? So with that said, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first piece is going to be this denim jacket from Minimal, in which this is a reversible jacket. You can wear it inside out. But for this video, we're going to leave it and wear it just as is. I do like how they designed this jacket with all of the distressed looks and the raw threading going throughout the whole jacket. Not sure if Minimal still has this on their website, but you guys can go check it out. But this is going to be the outer layer piece that I am going to put together with the first outfit. Let's get into the bottom part. So as far as the bottom part goes, we're going to go with these Zara utility cargo pants, which you guys already know. I feel like I've literally put so much emphasis on how much I love these pants and how many I have purchased in the past. So I do have these in the green colorway. This is a size 36, a bit bigger than the size that I would usually buy. I usually would purchase a 34, but throughout this year I had a couple of weight gains and weight losses. So yeah, I was able to fit into a 36 and it was a little bit fitting, but now it's loose on me. So we're gonna go with these pants. I wanted to go with a shirt that would add a little bit more personality to the whole outfit. So this shirt that I purchased from Bled La was a perfect addition to it. So let's go ahead and get into some accessories. Just to kind of offset the orange a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this hat, which I purchased this hat from Prevail clothing brand. You guys can go check it out. I don't know if this specific one is still on the website, but y'all could go check them out. They have plenty of hats on their website. Let's get into it. Have on that denim jacket, nice graphic t-shirt from Bled La, cargo pants from Zara, and then of course those orange Sambas, okay? Oh yeah, let's not forget about the hat from Prevail brand. And as far as accessories goes, just throw on a hat, one necklace, all right? And then my earrings. I didn't want to throw in any bracelets because you're not going to be able to see it anyway since I have on this jacket. So I kept it real simple, dimple. Alright, so this is the full outfit. So for the next outfit, we have this blue crop sweatshirt that I got from Zara. Alright, got this out of the women's section, which I thought this sweatshirt was pretty cool, so I went on ahead and purchased this. But this is going to be the outer layer that I'm going to wear with outfit number 2. I purchased these pants from Minimal. Alright, these are the zipper pants. These are the ones that have the zipper going alongside the back side of the pants, which intake your butt could possibly be exposed, but I have not had that happen to me. I honestly haven't even worn these pants just yet, so these are pretty much a dead stock pant. Now, as far as the zipper in the front goes, you have the option to go ahead and zip it up to make it a wider leg or zip it down to keep it a tighter leg pant. But we're gonna go ahead and go with these. They actually have these in different colors on Minimal's website, grays, browns, tans. The denim, they have them in a black pair. I wasn't too sure if I wanted that many pair of these, but I'm glad and very thankful when we bought one because of the back part of it. I don't know, I just feel like this part may be a bit uncomfortable, and who knows, you know, depending on how much movement you're doing in these pants, these could possibly like move and then your butt is gonna be out. But like I said, we don't know if that actually is the case. These may be actually intact as far as the zipper hem goes, so they may not even move around a lot when you're moving or when you're sitting, or you know, just in case if you just so happen to rub up against something, they may be good intact, so you don't have to worry about that. But like I said, we don't know. We won't know till we actually get some good wear out of these. So these are the pants. As far as accessory goes, we're going to go with the Pythia snapback hat. Love this hat. I bought these in about 4 different pairs. Have them in blue, green, red, and brown. So super cool hat. I love the star as well as the pin on the front, which all the hats come with this pin. I actually put the pin on myself. So each of these Pythia hats that I have, you'll notice that the pin is in different places just because I just wanted to kind of give them both their own little separate character as a hat. But this is the hat and this is the full fit. So it's just something about navy blue and orange that does something to me. Not the fact that it's a Broncos colors, but it's just something about those two colors being thrown together. I just absolutely love it. So when I knew that I was going to do this video, I was like, I got to throw some blue in there for sure. I have to throw blue in there. I feel like blue and orange is such a beautiful combination of colors together. So this outfit to me was just perfect. Outfit, we have this polo knitted shirt from Boohoo Man. All right, got some black, cream, and we got that orange going across the front. I wanted to stay away from your typical simple outfits that would obviously go with these sneakers, but this will probably be the only simple outfit that I went on ahead and threw in there. Let's get into the pants. We have the Zara utility cargo pants, acid black wash pants. All right, absolutely love these. Already told you guys how I feel about them. We're gonna throw these on with the next fit. Let's get into it. As far as accessories goes, we're gonna go ahead and throw on this Prevail hat, which you guys could head over and check this out. Super dope. I actually went on ahead and purchased 2 of these types of hats. One with LA on the front and the other one with New York. Absolutely love the gems. Bring so much to the hat. I remember when I first seen these type of hats come out, I just knew I had to cop. But it meant even more to me the fact that Prevail released them, so you already know Prevail is my brand, y'all. I love Prevail, so I had to go over there and cop. I also went on ahead and threw on my rings as well as the gold bracelet, necklace that I usually wear with all of my fits, which is my signature necklace, and of course my gold earrings. So this was a pretty simple outfit. Of course, the orange sneakers. You can tell how I was able to coordinate this. Very simple, idealistic to what most people will probably do with styling these type of shoes. And I went on ahead and added this hat just to give it that much more of character, give it a little bit more of an offset, bring a lot more attention to the hat and not just the shoes, since the shoes is already going with the shirt. So just to give it a little bit more of something to look at when you're looking at this whole outfit. Yeah, so this is outfit number 3. Apparel, which this was not the first one that I bought. I actually bought the tan colorway, but I got rid of that shirt, gave it to a friend, and then I went on ahead, turned around and purchased the white one and the black one. Now these shirts are super dope. I wish I would have known when I was purchasing, because I definitely could have went with the small. This is a medium, so it fits a little bit big, but it still fits me. So we're gonna go ahead and use this as the base layer for our last outfit. I really wanna get more into vests because I just don't wear enough vests, and I feel like vests are definitely a go in any type of outfit, in any type of season. I went on ahead and purchased this vest from Artform earlier in the year. Might even been last year. Artform has been one of those brands that I also stayed very near dear to, because like Prevail brand, those are one of the up and coming brands that I've always just been a fan of. They have always treated me very well. They've always sent my orders out, always received them in a timely manner. So Artform and Prevail brand are 2 of my favorite brands to shop at. But this is going to be the outer layer for the t-shirt that I just showed you guys. I know you guys are probably wondering, well, why a vest? Isn't the temperature dropping in Texas? The temperature is bipolar in Texas, guys. So some days, most days for the most part, you probably would step outside with maybe like a hoodie, like jacket type of deal. But yesterday was actually in the 70s, so it was definitely due and warranted to have on a short sleeve shirt and some shorts. All right, so I'm gonna style this outfit, add this to my outfit layout, just because you never know what you're gonna get in Texas. And one day it'll be hot, kind of warm enough to show your legs, show your arms. Next day it may be cold. You might want to cover your arms and cover your legs and throw something on your head. So let's get into the rest of this outfit. So I purchased these shorts from Minimal, camo shorts. It's been a minute since I've had a pair of camo shorts. I actually went ahead and purchased two. I have this pair, then I have another pair with some brown shimmers coming from the bottom of it. I actually like these shorts. They do have a distressed look going across the front, as well as the raw hemming on the bottom. As you can tell, it has this little piece of thread coming from it right now, but I absolutely love this look. So this will be the bottom layer that's going to go with the rest of this outfit to bring it to a complete. As far as accessories goes, we have another one of those jewel hats that I purchased from Prevail. Like I said, you guys can go check that out. Not sure if they're still in stock, but go check it out and see. They did only come in this colorway, and they only came in two different styles, which was the New York and the other style that I showed earlier with LA. And then as far as jewelry, you see it along with this necklace, earrings. We're gonna keep on the gold hoop earrings, and then of course the belt chain. Cannot go wrong with that. So I went with this outfit because the sneakers are already loud, and I wanted to bring the outfit just down just a smidge, give it a streetwear look and a streetwear feel, but I also wanted to complement it too, so that's why I threw this hat on along with the different accessories that I have with it, the belt chain, the bracelet, the necklace, the earring. So I felt like this outfit was not too much at all. I felt like it was just right. And honestly, like when you piece in the sneakers with the hat, I mean, it's a go, it's a win, it's a W. So many different things to take away from this outfit. I mean, the camo itself, I mean, this is just so unorthodox, but it goes and it flows so well with the sneakers. But like I said, this was a perfect outfit to throw together to match with these sneakers. But you all let me know what you think, but let's get into this outfit. So those are all 4 outfits. Hopefully you all were able to take something from each and every single outfit. I feel like those were all good choices for different ways to style those Adidas Samba OGs. I gave you pants, I gave you a pair of shorts, short sleeve jackets, you know what I'm saying, knitted polos. I gave you a couple of options with so many ways that you can style it, which there's so many other ways you can style it too. I am going to make another video, excuse me. I am going to make another video with how to style the other pair of Adidas Sambas that I purchased. I'm going to throw some skinny leg jeans in there, some more fitting jeans, because not everybody's going to wear their Sambas with baggy pants, all right? So I want to go ahead and kind of give you guys just a different outlook on what it looks like to style them with tighter fitting pants, all right? Because people still do wear skinny jeans, all right? All right, we're not gonna act like skinny jeans are not still a thing. I know some people kind of, you know, deleted that out of their memory bank and kind of got rid of them out of their closets, but I still have a pair of skinny jeans and I do plan on wearing them with my Adidas Samba OGs, all right? All right, so with that being said though, I want you guys to stay in the loop with this giveaway, because this giveaway is fastly approaching. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be announcing the winner. From that point, I'm gonna ask you for your email address. That way I can know where I need to send your gift to. But in order to even be noticed or even to be entered into the giveaway, you need to be liking my videos, commenting, and sharing them. That's how I'm able to see you. If you're not doing that, how am I supposed to know to select you? So I need you to make yourself seen. Let it be known that you are here, all right? Because if you're not, then how am I supposed to know to pick you? So with that being said, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace. I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you
that I got to